I did a video recently on these outdoor tomatoes, and I asked the question, was it worth growing? And at the time it looked like everything was on track, and my feeling was that it was worth growing. But this damp weather that we've had has just not gone away, and as a result we've noticed some blight on this today. So I'm going to cut my losses. This is what looks like when blight's kicked in. It's not right. That's blight. It's squidgy and it's just rotten. Even this one here, there's a lot, and the signs of blight are there. I mean, you can get blight even when you grow tomatoes indoors in a greenhouse, but yeah, Ray's confirmed, and he said that this looks like blight, and it's almost like over the span of a couple of days. Does that look like blight?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Looks like it. I'm not guaranteeing it, but it looks
yeah.
like it.
There's only one variety here that's supposed to be blight resistant, and it's the one called Crimson Crush. And it's this one. And it's the one that looks like the leaves are okay. So, does it mean I'm going to give up on growing tomatoes outdoors? It means I need to have a think about what varieties I choose. And I think in future, if it's not one that's sold as blight resistant, then I'm unlikely to grow it outside. But what's not helped is this unusually wet weather that we've had. So there you go. Is it worth growing tomatoes outdoors? If you want to take a chance on it, the one thing I will do is take these that look like they haven't been affected by blight and stick them in a drawer with a ripe banana. See if it'll force it into ripening. But yeah, it's not quite worked. But then we've had an exceptionally long period of rain during July. You win some, you lose some.